Today we are going to know about poem Try Again. Before we start to know about the actual poem, we think about some previous knowledge. In previous knowledge, I asked you one question. What do you like? What do you like? This question is the question to the children. And answer is that we like so and so, or we like, I like specially, I like something. But when I ask you, what do you like? Poem or the stories? At that time, what is your answer? Your answer is, some students ask, I like stories. Some student ask, I like poetry. In majority, the children ask, we like poetry. Why? Because from the childhood, children listens song from the lullaby or in the KG or in primary schools. And at the time of listening, the poem is sweet. Why? Because of the rhyme pattern. And that rhyme pattern attracts our mind. Because of that, we like poems. And we know that there are many kinds of the poems. I say, from the lullaby to the ballad. This is the journey of the poetry. And in that journey, we listen more and more poems. Different kinds of the poem, different subjects of the poem. Here, we understand about the poem which is joyful, it enjoy your life, enjoy your mind, and because of that, we like poems. Then one another thing is that the kinds of the poem, prayer, lullaby, prayer, ballad, etc. There are some poems which inspire your mind, inspire you to do good things. Here is one inspiring poem which inspire you to do your work very carefully, joyfully, attentively, and when you try something, it ends in success. Try, this word is an inspiring word. If you are fail to do something, at that time, this word give you inspiration. Here, in warming up, give you a very interesting example of the spiders climbing. How spider climb on the wall. We all of you know, we all of you have experience. We see that the spider try to climb wall, and he failed sometime, but he can't stay one place. He again and again tries to climb higher and higher. What's happened? Lastly, he is able to success in that climbing. This example of the spider give you inspiration to do your work. If in first attempt you are unable to fulfill that thing, then you try again. If you try again, keep trying, you shall win. This is the message from this poem. Now, I read out the poem, Try Again. It is a lesson you should heed. Try again. If at first you don't succeed, try again. Then your courage should appear, for if you will preserve, you will conquer, never fear, try again. Once or twice, though you should fail, try again. If you would at last prevail, try again. If you strive, it is no disgrace. Though we do not win the race, what should we do in that case? Try again. If you find your task is hard, try again. Time will bring you your reward. Try again. All that other folk can do, why? With the patience may not you. Only keep this rule in view, try again. Poet W.A. Iksan. Try to ask you, try to inspire you about do your work. Avoid the negative thoughts. Root out the negative thoughts. And try again and again. Now I try to ask you about the line-to-line meaning of this poem. It is a lesson you should heed. Please give your attention on try again. Here first word written as like T is. It means it is. It is a lesson you should heed. Try again. If at first you don't succeed, first time you are unable to achieve your goal, what is your next step? Your next step is try again. When you fail at first, it is not necessary. You try first and you will be success. You shall be success. And because of that, the advice of the poet is try again. Then your courage should appear. You must courageous, for if you will preserve. Keep trying. Don't stay. Keep trying till one achieves. Don't stay up to the destination. You try again and again. You will conquer. Never fear. Try again. You will conquer. Conquer. Captivate. Win. Never fear. Fear is odd in your journey towards the success. And because of that, try again. Once or twice, though you should fail, I say you that if you are unable to achieve your goal in a first attempt or second attempt also, don't be nervous. You try better and you will be success. If you would at last prevail, try again. This is the message. Don't assent on your failure. try again to change all these things. If we strive, it is a no disgrace. Strive means try very hard. Struggle for your achievement. Struggle up to the success. Though we do not win the race, what should we do in that case? If you do not win the race, what should you do? Try again. If you find your task is hard, yes, you feel that this work is very hard, then your mind thinks about the failure, and if you find your task is not easy, then you try again. If you will success to try again and again, your efforts, you made your efforts again and again, time will bring you, what time bring you? The time will bring you your reward. Try again. Why? The patience may not you. Only keep this rule in view. Try again. Yes, you have a capacity to do that thing. It is another thing, but one thing is that you must have patience or the capacity to accept the delay. The delay means not failure. Delay means not failure. You don't lose your hope. Be hopeful about your hard work, and one day the reward is yours. Till you try again. Thank you.